It's Friday 21st February, and the markets closed lower amid weak global sentiment. Broader markets struggled, with more stocks declining than advancing. Let's take a look at today's key market highlights. The Nifty ended the session down by 117 points at 22,795, while the Sensex closed 424 points lower at 75,311. Market breadth remained weak, with 2,245 stocks declining and only 1,694 advancing. The metal sector was the lone gainer, rising 1%, while pharma, auto, and healthcare indices saw significant losses, each dropping between 2% and 2.5%. Hindalco, Tata Steel, Eicher Motors, L&T, and SBI Life led the gainers on the Nifty, showing strength despite the broader market weakness. Meanwhile, M&M, Adani Ports, BPCL, Tata Motors, and Adani Enterprises were among the top losers, weighing on the index. The rupee closed at 86.71 per dollar, with down by import demand and $11 billion in foreign outflows. Early gains faded as foreign banks stepped up dollar buying, while RBI swaps kept liquidity in check. The dollar index held at 106.6 as Asian currencies edged higher. Boat plans to file a confidential DRHP for its FY 2025-26 IPO, targeting 2,000 crore rupees at a valuation above $1.5 billion. This follows its withdrawn 2022 listing. Holding a 26.7% market share in wearables, Boat is backed by investors like Qualcomm and Warburg Pincus. Mahindra & Mahindra shares tumbled over 6% in morning trade on Friday, extending losses after a brief pause. The drop came after the company announced a 4,500 crore rupees rights issue for its subsidiaries and amid reports of potential import duty cuts on EVs, raising competition from foreign players. M&M ended the session down 6.20%. The broader markets underperformed the benchmarks today. The Nifty Midcap 100 fell 1.32%, while the Small Cap 100 declined 0.7%. This weakness reflects profit booking in mid and small cap stocks amid cautious market sentiment. Gold fell 0.3% to $2,930 but is set for an 8th weekly gain after hitting a record $2,954.69. Safe haven demand remains strong amid Trump's tariff plans and global uncertainty, though high prices have curbed demand in China and India. Adani Green Energy is in advanced talks with local lenders, including Power Finance Corp, to refinance up to $1.1 billion in dollar debt with rupee loans. The deal, expected by March end, would be the company's largest borrowing since the US bribery probe surfaced in November. Adani Green's shares have fallen nearly 40% since the investigation emerged. PiCoin crashed 55% just hours after its open mainnet launch, wiping out early gains. The token surged 36% to $1.99 before plunging to 91 cents amid heavy sell-offs and liquidity concerns. Analysts fear a further decline, with Binance yet to list the coin. Market speculation remains high, but uncertainty looms over Pi Network's ecosystem and future stability. Tata Steel shares rebounded 2.5% on Friday after confirming the allotment of 3,000 crore rupees in non-convertible debentures at a 7.65% coupon rate. The stock surged to 141 rupees and 55 paise intraday, gaining 3.2% from its low. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.